my name is Roman. I'm from C10 Compas. I have a 1975 C10, ground up, frame off restoration done at home in my garage. Has a 5.3 Vortex. Came out of my old 2004 Tahoe. And most of the work I done myself except the paint. It's a Black Cherry. So her name is Black Cherry Christine. And everything pretty much is done wiring by myself. So I done all the wiring in here. I didn't want the wires just like that, so I put Bloom on there. Everything is just came out of me, just out of inspiration from other trucks. Put the red in there, put everything. Put LED lights in there. Everything's LED. As you guys notice, there's no mirrors. We have rear view cameras, and I see the camera inside. So that's how I see the cars. It's 360 cameras all the way around, navigation, interior done. Working on the sound system, but it does have a little sound system. Like I said, everything's done by me. And then of course we're from LA. So I have the LA Dodgers, Lakers, and the middle one is the most that I'm proud of. Built, not bought, because I've done everything myself. And the bed, everything, all new sheet metal. Because it was a rust bucket, but we got it up and restored it. I still have few adjustments to go, but here we are. Love the C10 Nation, you know. And I had one in high school.
Talk about it.
Huh?
You had it in high school. You want to talk about it?
Well, I had it in high school. I got it. I was one of the only guys that had a C10 that I ever met. I had it with KMC's. It was black, and that's why I decided to go with Black Cherry to kind of remember me from back in the high school. And that's how I got my little brother to get his and inspire him to become a C10 guy also. Thank you.